here's one, the nature of God. And that is one of the first things that they attack, and especially the nature of Christ. Now, have you ever heard of Docetism? That is this. Jesus the man was human, and Christ, the Messiah, possessed his body. See? Now we will see, as we get into what we're going to study, that was an early heresy, and one that they had to fight against. So you need this study pack number 6, The Nature of God. And if you haven't any of the study packs, you might as well start at 1 and go through them. We have a lot of material.